Hello all, welcome to the day 16 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Mr. Ramanand purchased a plot QRUT to build his house. He left space of two congruent semicircles for gardening and a rectangular area of breadth 3 cm for car parking. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. First question, area of the square PQRS. PQRS is a square of side 27 centimeter. So area of PQRS is 27 square, which is 729 centimeter square. Answer is B. Question 2. Area of rectangle left for car parking is. Area of the parking space, that is TPSU, is equal to length into breadth, which is 27 times 3, that is 81 centimeter square. The answer is C. Question 3. Radius of the semicircle is. Since the two semicircles are congruent, the diameter of the first semicircle PV is equal to diameter of the second semicircle, which is VS. Now the side PS can be written as PV plus VS. PV is 2 times R. VS is also 2 times R. That is 4R is equal to 27. R is 27 by 4, which is 6.75 centimeter. The answer is option A. Question 4. Area of semicircle. Now that we got the radius in the previous question, area of semicircle is half times pi r square. Half times 22 by 7 into 6.75 square. On calculating this, we get 71.59 centimeter square. The answer is option D. Question 5. Find the area of the shaded region. Now the shaded region includes PQRS minus the two semicircles plus the parking space TPSU. Shaded area is equal to area of PQRS plus area of the parking space TPUS minus twice the area of semicircle. Area of PQRS is 729 plus the parking space area is 81 minus 2 times 71.59, which is 810 minus 143.18, which gives 666.82 centimeter square. So the answer is option B. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.